Okay, this is a test of CoreDroid 8.1 on my Inspire 4G. This is the setting of 920 by 1080. I know it does not do this resolution. I have checked and it does not. Just showing you some of my house. As you can see, I have like 15 clocks. Anyways, stare at the ceiling for a second. While you are in CamCorder, you can touch to focus and zoom in. So that is quite nice, and zoom out, of course. You can use your volume button to zoom in and tap to focus. There, it's nice and focused. Okay, that was let's zoom in on that picture. Okay, that's a quick showing of what this camera looks like. I guess that's good enough. It's a minute and 30. Bye.